After spending time meticulously designing your space, the last thing you want to do is install lighting that diminishes the overall aesthetic. Ensure you keep a sleek, modern look by installing PLT and PLT Premium Spec LED panel troffer hybrid fixtures sold exclusively at 1000 Bulbs. Available in 1x4, 2x2, and 2x4 size options, these gorgeous fixtures combine the premium aesthetic of troffers with the flexibility and uniform light distribution of panels. They are wattage and color selectable, allowing you to tailor the light output to perfectly suit your space. The backlit sectional lens gives these fixtures a unique look. All three sections emit a bright, even light with reduced glare. These fixtures utilize state-of-the-art LEDs and drivers while being housed in high-quality and durable aluminum. The PLT fixtures can be recess mounted to a T-grid ceiling, while the PLT Premium Spec fixtures have a slightly elevated aesthetic and can be installed to a T-grid ceiling or surface mounted using an optional mounting kit. If you need emergency lighting, the PLT Premium Spec hybrid fixtures have versions with built-in emergency backups. These innovative fixtures can be seamlessly incorporated into a wide range of settings, including conference rooms, offices, hospitals, schools, reception areas, and other areas where an elevated look is desired. For these and other high-end commercial lighting fixtures, call 855-948-5079 to speak with one of our US-based lighting experts or visit 1000bulbs.com.